I've built an AI agent in UiPath that can review support requests and return structured output. UiPath is, by the way, also sponsor of this video. The input is simple, that is the case text, that is the support request from the customer. Priority in the output is what we can use for routing. So what should we do next in the process? Reasons explain why the agent has made that assessment. Now we want to use this agent in a real flow. Here I use the Maestro BPMN flow. I already started, at least I've created the start event. Now we want to connect the agent. So you simply just click here, click the plus, down in agent, click and choose start and wait for agent. Here we can find our agents. In this solution I have the support case agent, so I just click that. Over to the right, the properties open. I can see the outputs, that is indeed priority and reason, and we also have the case text as input. So here it needs the support request, and I already created it here in the start event. So now I'll just click here, go down to start event and find the case text that I already prepared. With that in place, we can now route the agent. So what should it do next? We have the priority, that could be low, medium and high here in our case. Now I want to take care of what should happen if it is high priority. For that I click the plus here, and then we add an exclusive gateway, that is the routing. I can just go down here and click it. So I will give this a name as well. So I go over to general and then I will say high priority, since this is a question. No logic is involved yet. Then I also want to say what should happen if this is really high priority. Then I want to trigger an API workflow called create escalation ticket. So I just click this plus. Is that easy to build in the UiPath Maestro? Then I choose workflows, start and wait for API workflow, and here I have my API workflow. That's it. So this API workflow needs an input, that is the case text. We got that from the start event, and a reason, that is why the agent has said that this is high priority. So the case text, that one comes from the start event, so I can find it here. Reason, that comes out of the agent. So now I want to go down to the support case agent, and here we have the reason. All good. We get an error here, and that's because we haven't configured the condition yet. So when should we end over here? Well, that is if this output from the support case agent, that is the priority, is high. So go click on this arrow. So this should be our yes branch. This is just the label. If I go down to condition, then I can click over here, choose JS expression editor. We will create the expression, that is, we want to ask, is the priority high? Since we have it in a variable, that will be easy. If this was more complicated, we could use the autopilot down here. So I simply just say vars priority, and is that equal to high? Then I click save. Now we also need a no or a false branch. In a real workflow, this is where I could handle medium and low priority cases separately. So I click there, the exclusive gateway, hit plus. Here I will choose a task. So in this task, this could be several actions, agents, workflows, etc. For our demo here, I will just say handle the rest of the flow and choose not to build it. But you can easily do that yourself. Let me also drag it a little bit below down here. So we can still see that we get an error in the no. So here I just click this arrow. Let's also give this a label. So now we have yes and no, and we make this the default path. So it goes down here, and now we want to end the flow. So I just click plus here, choose the end event, and then I can also make, when it has created this escalation ticket, it should go down here. I can move this around so it connects beautifully. Now our Maestro BPMN flow is finished. So this is what you need to get started. It's extremely easy. But let's also see that this works. So here I click Debug. The start event needs a case text, and here I prepared a simple support request. An enterprise customer cannot access their account after several failed login attempts. They have an important client deadline today and need access immediately. So I copied Control-C and simply just paste it in here. In the real world, I want to automate this stuff as well, and you can easily do it with UiPath. So now the Maestro flow starts. You will see that it completed the start event. That makes sense. And now it's in the support case agent. So this will roughly take 15 to 20 seconds. And then we will see down here in the variables that these ones will have values. Here we can see that the priority was indeed high, and we can also see a reason down here. This means that this high priority is indeed yes. So we built the logic, it worked, and it created the escalation ticket in an API workflow and ended down here in the end event. Is that easy to build with UiPath? Fantastic. If you want to learn this in details, I created the full video guide for you right here. Go watch it. See you there.